Doorbellcode.com is a free printable smart doorbell for your home or business. Here's how it works. Your visitor scans your QR code doorbell displayed at your front door, gate, or building entrance. You'll receive notifications via email, SMS, or phone call when they scan the code. Your contact details are kept private to callers. It's that simple. If you don't want to be disturbed, you can silence alerts. Doorbellcode.com is free for email alerts, although premium for SMS, call alerts, and to let your visitors leave a message or photo. Hear your doorbell wherever you are. Don't miss visitors when you're working in the shed or garden. Use it at your property gate, so that you can let people in without letting animals out. Let visitors quietly leave a message if you're a shift worker or have a sleeping baby. See doorbell notifications when you're in a Zoom meeting or wearing a headset. We've also got business users who use it for out of office and change of venue. Get started now at doorbellcode.com. Set up